You're scrolling through TikTok, and bam, an ad for Beforepay. Get paid early, it screams. Sounds amazing, right? But hold up, is Beforepay actually available to me? I'm not American. Can I use this magical app that seems to solve all my paycheck woes? Let's be real, getting paid every 2 weeks feels like an eternity in the modern world. Unexpected expenses pop up, bills pile up, and your bank account dwindles. Beforepay promises to be a lifesaver, allowing you to access your earned wages before your regular payday. But is this sweet relief only for our friends across the pond? The short answer? No, Beforepay is not exclusively for Americans. While Beforepay initially focused on the U.S. market, they've been expanding their reach. They're actively exploring options to bring their services to other countries. This means that depending on your location, you might already have access to Beforepay, or you might be on the waiting list for its arrival in your region. So, how do you know if you can use Beforepay? Check the Beforepay website. The easiest way is to visit the official Beforepay website. They usually have a clear section outlining their service availability. Look for a page or a frequently asked questions (FAQ) section that addresses international availability. Use their app, if available. If you can download the Beforepay app, try to register. The app itself will likely tell you if it's supported in your location. Contact Beforepay support. If you can't find the information online, reach out to Beforepay customer support directly. They'll be able to provide the most accurate and up-to-date information on service availability in your country. Several factors can influence whether Beforepay is available in your country. Regulatory environment. Each country has its own set of financial regulations. Beforepay needs to comply with these regulations to operate legally. Market demand. Beforepay will prioritize expanding into countries with high demand for its services. Partnerships. Collaborations with local banks and financial institutions can facilitate Beforepay's entry into new markets. If Beforepay isn't available in your country, don't despair. There might be other options for accessing your earned wages early. Employer-sponsored programs. Some employers offer programs that allow employees to access a portion of their paycheck early. Mobile banking apps. Certain mobile banking apps provide features like early direct deposit or paycheck advances. Short-term loans. While not ideal, short-term loans can be a last resort for covering unexpected expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.